You talk in your sleep.
So I've been told. Anything scandalous?
Depends on your boundaries. Nothing incriminating.
Let me try again.
Sadly, I don't think we have time for that.
Are we getting ahead of ourselves? Should we start with names?
I think the less you know, the better. Mr. Purdue?
You are not here on vacation.
No. Business.
Oh, what business are you in?
I recover rare and unique paintings. Sometimes in leather tubes.
Well, that's a coincidence. So, where do we go from here?
I think you know where we go from here. I'm the hand of mercy. My associates are the hand of judgment. You choose.
Oh, there's a third option.
There is.
Yes, you have foolishly overlooked my team of lethal bodyguards. Don't be fooled by their innocuous appearance. They are each a wolf in sheep's clothing, so either you surrender now, or I will be forced to release my dogs of war.
I think I like my chances.
Wow. Hand of mercy it is, then.
I do like a happy ending.
You're not with Kassem.
Who's Kassem?
Murph, train didn't work out either.
Wait, what?
No!
What else you got?